Looking for the best smart lock with handle? In this video, we break down key specs, security features, and smart home compatibility. Based on product data and user feedback, these models offer convenience and DIY-friendly installs, though some may need extra hardware. Worth considering for keyless entry. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 5. When you think of Philips, you probably think of light bulbs, but this smart lock carries the same reputation for solid build quality. The keypad sits right on the integrated handle, so it's a 2-in-1 upgrade for your door. You get Wi-Fi built in, which means you can check the lock status and let guests in from your phone, even when you're not home. That's a big plus for people who often have hands full with groceries or need to give temporary access to a dog walker. Based on user feedback, the setup is straightforward for a standard deadbolt, though you'll want to confirm your door's backset fits before ordering. One thing to keep in mind: while the Wi-Fi connection is convenient, it does rely on a stable network, and some users mention the app can be a bit slow to respond on occasion. Also, this is a keypad-first design, so if you love using voice assistants, double-check compatibility with your ecosystem. Overall, it's a good choice for anyone wanting keyless entry and remote control without replacing the entire lock set. Worth considering if Philips' reliability and tidy design matter to you. Number 4. The Schlage Encode takes a different approach in this lineup. It's a lever-style smart lock that replaces just the handle and deadbolt, not your entire door hardware. What stands out is that it packs Wi-Fi directly into the lock. No extra hub, no bridge, no secondary device to plug in. You connect it to your home network, and the Schlage Home app becomes your keychain. From a security standpoint, remote monitoring is the headline. According to product specifications, you can see who locks or unlocks the door, manage access codes for family, guests, or service pros, and control the lock from anywhere with a solid Wi-Fi connection. That's genuinely useful for apartment dwellers who want keyless entry without rekeying or installing a full smart system. As for installation, reports suggest it's DIY-friendly, though the lever form factor means you need to be comfortable matching the existing door prep. It also requires a reliable Wi-Fi network if your connection drops. Remote access goes with it, though the keypad and physical keys still work. Balance perspective? The Encode is a bit more expensive than some smart lock adapters, and it relies on the app for most scheduling features. But for someone wanting a clean, integrated lever lock with solid Wi-Fi reliability, it's worth considering. Number 3. The Eufy Security Smart Lock Familock C32 stands out by integrating the handle and lock into one sleek unit, while adding a surveillance-minded twist to your front door. Rather than just controlling entry, it keeps an eye on activity, making it an appealing option for homeowners who want more than basic keyless access. Based on product data, the C32 supports both keyless entry and remote control, so you can let in a guest or check the door status from anywhere. The built-in camera feature offers a practical layer of awareness, which is a different angle from typical smart locks. For installation, guided video support helps simplify the process. You aren't replacing the entire door frame, just the existing hardware. User feedback highlights the trustworthy seller and delivery experience, which adds peace of mind. However, it's worth noting that full remote features depend on a stable network connection, and the lock's compact design may not suit every door thickness, so checking specs first is a good idea. Overall, the Familock C32 offers strong security integration and easy setup. For security-conscious renters or homeowners, it's a good choice worth considering. Number 2. If a familiar brand name brings some peace of mind, this Philips Wi-Fi keypad lock with an integrated handle is worth a close look. Instead of adding a deadbolt to your existing hardware, it swaps the whole exterior unit, so you can get in with a simple pin rather than digging for keys. Because it connects over Wi-Fi, the companion app gives you remote locking and unlocking from your phone, plus activity alerts when family members or visitors come and go. That remote control is genuinely helpful for busy mornings or when you want to double-check the door from a few miles away. One thing that stands out here is the balance between a clean, complete design and user-friendly features. The integrated build reduces clutter, and based on product specifications and user experiences, standard door preps are usually sufficient, so you're not rehanging your entire entryway. That's a big plus for DIYers who want a cleaner look without a complex install. Still, a couple of honest limitations. Some users find the app setup can take a few extra minutes, and battery life will always require attention, so keep your backup key or a portable charger nearby. But for homeowners or apartment dwellers chasing keyless convenience with solid smart home integration plus a trusted brand, this Philips lock definitely remains a comfortable choice worth weighing. Number 1. Forgetting your keys? With this smart handle lock, that becomes a non-issue. It's not just a lock that happens to have a handle, it's a single, integrated unit built for doors where you want a sleek upgrade without swapping the whole deadbolt assembly. What stands out here is the variety of entry options. You've got 6 ways in: fingerprint, Bluetooth app, passcode, key fob, a mechanical key for backup, and Alexa voice control. That means you can wave your fingertip in the morning or log into the app when you're away. But note that true remote locking and unlocking only works when you pair it with a separate Wi-Fi gateway. Without that, you're limited to Bluetooth range. On the convenience side, you can hand out personalized codes or fobs to guests or service pros instead of giving away a physical key. The installation process is designed for DIYers and should work on most standard doors. Then again, you'll want to check your door's thickness and alignment. The fingerprint sensor rarely complains, but some users say it works best when your finger is dry. Overall, it's a strong contender for anyone wanting keyless freedom plus backup security. Just keep the Wi-Fi gateway in mind if you want full remote capability. Which smart lock with handle fits your door? Based on specs and user feedback, these models each offer solid security, keyless entry, and remote access while keeping installation DIY-friendly. Some prioritize sleek design, others smart home compatibility or budget-friendly value. Remember, prices and availability shift. Check current listings before deciding. Consider your existing hardware and whether you need backup key. No single option is perfect, but a few stand out as smart, practical upgrades for most homes. Keep your door setup in mind. Check the links below for current pricing and details.